to see YouTube Watch Later playlist? In order to see it, you have to open YouTube. So let me demonstrate by giving one example. You need to select any video and then tap on three dots. Here you will see the option of save to watch later. So once you have added this video to save to watch later, then you can tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And on this feed you will be able to find out playlist. So let's tap on view all. And on this playlist you will see watch later, so tap on it. So these are all the watch later playlist on your YouTube. So watch later feature is a feature on the YouTube that allows users to save videos they are interested in watching for later viewing. When you come across a video you want to watch but don't have time for at that moment, you can simply click the save button beneath the video and select watch later. This adds the video to your watch later playlist, which you can access any time from your YouTube account. So it's a convenient way to keep track of videos you want to watch without having to search for them again later. So this is the easiest way to see the YouTube Watch Later playlist and never lose a video again. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it, hit the notification bell for more updates. Thanks and see you in the next video.